Want to become a cybersecurity analyst, one of the most in-demand tech careers protecting our digital world? In the next minutes, you'll discover what security analysts actually do, the skills and certifications you need, your complete roadmap, and how to earn $75,000 to $150,000 per year. Let's get started.
Cybersecurity analysts are digital defenders. You protect organizations from hackers, data breaches, ransomware, and cyber attacks. You monitor networks, identify vulnerabilities, respond to incidents, and implement security measures. You're the frontline defense in the war against cybercrime. On a typical day, you'll monitor security systems and logs, investigate suspicious activities, perform vulnerability assessments, respond to security incidents, implement security patches, educate employees about threats, and document everything. It's detective work meets technology.
Every organization needs cybersecurity. Banks protecting financial data, hospitals securing patient records, tech companies defending intellectual property, government agencies safeguarding national security, and retailers protecting customer information. The demand is massive and growing.
Good news, you don't necessarily need a 4-year degree. While a computer science or IT degree helps, many analysts enter through certifications, boot camps, or self-study. What matters most is demonstrating knowledge and earning industry-recognized certifications.
Path 1. Bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology, cybersecurity, or related fields. This takes 4 years and provides strong fundamentals. Many employers prefer candidates with degrees, and it can accelerate your career progression, but it's not mandatory. Path 2. Industry certifications, the fastest and most direct route. Start with CompTIA Security Plus, add CompTIA Network Plus, then pursue CISSP or CEH. These prove your knowledge without a degree. Many break into the field with just certifications in 6 to 12 months. Path 3. Cybersecurity boot camps. Intensive 3 to 6 month programs combining education and hands-on labs. Path 4. Self-study using online platforms like TryHackMe, Hack the Box, and Cybrary. Build home labs, practice attacks and defense, and document your learning. Both paths work if you're disciplined. Now, the skills you need. We'll cover technical skills, the tools and technologies, security knowledge, the concepts and frameworks, and soft skills, the human element. Cybersecurity requires all three. First, technical skills. Master operating systems, Windows and Linux administration. Learn networking fundamentals, TCP/IP, firewalls, VPNs. Understand security tools like Wireshark, Nmap, Metasploit, and Splunk. Basic scripting in Python or PowerShell is increasingly essential.
Second, security knowledge. Understand the CIA triad: confidentiality, integrity, availability. Learn security frameworks like NIST, ISO 2701. Master threat types, malware, phishing, DDoS attacks. Study incident response procedures and disaster recovery. This knowledge separates security pros from general IT.
Third, soft skills. Often overlooked but critical. Strong analytical thinking to connect dots others miss. Clear communication to explain threats to non-technical people. Attention to detail. One missed log entry could be catastrophic. Continuous learning as threats evolve daily. And ethical integrity. You'll have access to sensitive data.
Your roadmap to becoming job-ready. 6 to 12 months if you focus on certifications, or 1 to 2 years if combining with a degree. We'll break this into 4 stages. It's faster than data science or ML engineering, with excellent job security. Ready? Let's map it out.
Stage 1. Months 1 and 2. Build IT foundations. Learn networking basics. Understand how computers and systems work. Get comfortable with Windows and Linux command lines. Study for CompTIA A+ if you're brand new. Set up a home lab to practice. This foundation is crucial. Stage 2, months 3 through 5. Earn CompTIA Security Plus. This is the entry-level certification that opens doors. Study security concepts, cryptography, threat management, and more. Pass the exam. This single certification can land you your first job as a junior analyst. Stage 3, months 6 through 9. Get hands-on experience. Practice on TryHackMe and Hack the Box platforms. Do CTF competitions. Capture the flag challenges. Build projects like network monitoring, vulnerability scanners. Apply for internships or entry-level positions. Document everything in a portfolio. Stage 4, months 10 through 12. Pursue advanced certifications. CEH for offensive skills, or CISSP for comprehensive knowledge. Polish your resume and LinkedIn. Apply to 30 to 50 positions. Practice technical interviews. Network at security conferences. Land that first analyst role. You're ready.
Total timeline recap. 6 to 12 months if you're focused on certifications and practicing daily. 1 to 2 years if you're balancing with a degree or part-time study. Either way, it's faster than software engineering or data science, with equally strong job prospects.
Now let's talk salary. Entry-level security analysts earn $55,000 to $80,000. Mid-level professionals make $80,000 to $110,000. Senior analysts and specialists command $110,000 to $150,000 or more. With specialized skills like penetration testing or security architecture, you can exceed $200,000. Job security is exceptional. Cybersecurity positions grew 35% in the past 3 years and are projected to grow another 33% through 2031. There are over 700,000 unfilled cybersecurity jobs in the U.S. alone. Companies are desperate for qualified analysts. You'll have job security for life. The pros: excellent job security. You'll always be needed. Strong salary progression. Intellectually challenging. Every day brings new puzzles. Remote friendly at many companies. You're protecting people in organizations, meaningful work. And constant learning keeps it interesting.
The cons? High stress during security incidents. Breaches happen at 2 a.m. On-call rotations are common. Constant pressure, knowing one mistake could be catastrophic. Burnout is real. The learning never stops. It's exhausting. And you'll often be the bearer of bad news when vulnerabilities are found.
Who should pursue this? If you're detail-oriented, love problem-solving puzzles, can handle pressure well, have ethical integrity, and want to be a digital guardian, this is for you. If you avoid stress, need routine predictability, or dislike constant learning, this career will exhaust you.
Let's recap. You've learned what security analysts do. Defend against cyber threats. Education paths from certifications to degrees. Essential skills in technical tools, security knowledge, and soft skills. Your 4-stage roadmap in 6 to 12 months. Salaries from $55,000 to $150,000 plus. And honest pros and cons. The digital world needs defenders. Will you answer the call? Ready to start? Here's what to do this week. 1. Create accounts on TryHackMe and Hack the Box. 2. Start studying for Security Plus using Professor Messer's free videos. 3. Set up a basic home lab with VirtualBox. 4. Join r/cybersecurity. Take action today. The digital world needs you. What's your biggest question about cybersecurity? Drop it in the comments. Subscribe for more career guides. We cover everything from data science to creative careers. Check out our Cloud Architect video next. Your path to cybersecurity starts now.